Hi friends, we're going to continue our whatnot haul, unboxing, unpackaging. I want to share with you what I've purchased on whatnot, supporting amazing sellers there, and I will tell you if I'm going to be reselling it, keeping it, where it's going to be going on my Poshmark shows or my whatnot shows, and hopefully you enjoy watching unboxing videos because we're going on part 3, I think this is 3. Yes. So let's continue. Here we have a package from Zorine, who is my friend, ZK Sales. I say my friend, everybody's my friend, you guys. I call everybody my friend. They're so amazing. And here is the top. It is they're Calvin Klein joggers, you guys. New with tags, $7, size 1X. 1X for these. I paid $7. Look how cute they are. They are just a straight leg jogger. And they're retailed for $69. And I paid $7 on whatnot. Isn't it amazing? And yeah, super cute. Probably going to put it in one of my Curvy Girl shows. If you have not seen or come to my Curvy Girl shows, please come. They are size large to 3X. And I have amazing brands like Torrid, like Lane Bryant, Eloquy, City Chic. I have it all. This one here, oh, this is from Yana, my sweet friend Yana on whatnot. Her handle is Zal's Boutique with the Z. And let's see, what do we buy? She has, here's the invoice. And from her, let me show you her handle. It's Torrid, of course. Gotta have some Torrid. Here's her handle, Zal's Boutique. And I purchased Torrid dress. This was, I paid $21. So, oh no, it's a Torrid blazer. It's a cardigan. Look how cute it is. It's a cardigan. Ooh, I like it. It's got ruched sleeves here. And it's got all this striping. And it's in a 2X, you guys. So this is probably, if it fits perfectly, it's a 2X. Then it's going to be for me. If it doesn't, it's going to come to one of my Curvy Girl shows, you guys. And Zal's Boutique is an amazing seller. She's also on TikTok. Make sure you look for her. Her name's Yana. She does skims. She does thrifted items. She does an elaborate sizes from extra small to 3X, you guys. She is so adorable. Love her to death. She's a great friend. And she also does like really low starts on her shows. Like really low starts. Okay, let's see. This one is from Crystal Rodriguez. Ooh, girl, how am I going to get into this? This is packaged like Fort Knox. And no joke. It's no joke. Crystal. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's nice, you guys. This print. Do I have an invoice? I don't see an invoice, but I think this might be my friend Crystal Bear. The Crystal Bear. There's no invoice, but this is for my son. I got this for my son. And it is an all over Nike print hoodie. Isn't that cool? I don't know how much I paid because there's no invoice in there. But it's got the Nike logo. And it feels nice, like crispy, like new without tags. It is a size large. So this is for my son. He loves Nike. So I got this for him. Cute print, all over print. Love it. Okay, here we have, this one's from Madison, which is, her handle's the teal hanger on whatnot. And she is an amazing seller. I love her to death. She is a sweetheart. She sells on whatnot to put herself through college. Oh, she's got all kind of goodies, you guys. She puts herself through college by selling on whatnot and on Poshmark. She's a go-getter. We love her. She's an amazing member of the community. And let's see what I bought. Because she packaged this up really cute. Okay, she got me snacks. Free snacks. Free goodies. Okay, and I purchased some earrings and a sweater, misguided sweater. Here are my earrings. I paid $5 for these earrings. What are they? Who knows, you guys? I don't even know. I bought so much stuff, I can't even remember. But I'm sure it's fabulous. Oh, so cute. Look at these earrings. Look how pretty they are. These were, I believe, were in her Buy It Now. So fun. I'm going to have to rock those. Okay, and then I got a sweater, which is a misguided big knit sweater. Oh my God, it's cozy. And I paid $8 for this. $8. Look how cozy she is. Let me fix her up. I don't know. Oh, she's a size 10. Size 10. And she's a dress. She's a sweater dress. Look. I mean, she is cozy, you guys. And I only paid $8. Size 10. In this beautiful gray color. Perfect for fall and winter. This will be coming to one of my Posh shows for sure. Or my next Whatnot show. I'm not sure. Whichever one comes first. So this is the teal hanger on Whatnot. You guys, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And thank you for my goodies. Ooh, snacks. I love it when they send snacks. Okay, this one's an eBay return. eBay return, you guys. Okay, this one here is another one from Zorine. Who I buy a lot from ZK. I had no idea I was buying so much. Support my girl. Okay, this is, but she also has really good deals. So we got to make sure we get the deals. This is a new Meow Cat graphic t-shirt in large. And we know we love cats over here. If you guys didn't know. Oh, no, it's not a cat. It's a J-Lo t-shirt. Why does it say Meow Cat? I don't know. Oh, was I supposed to have 2 t-shirts in this one? Or maybe I gave one away. I don't know what's happening. It says I should have 2. I only have 1. So I'm sure I did something with the other t-shirt. I probably donated or something. I don't know. I think I did. I think I donated back and I only got this one, which is a J-Lo. And the J-Lo t-shirt, you guys, I paid $17. She is my size, I believe. She's a 1X, yes. So I'll be rocking her. Isn't she cute? Love J-Lo. Okay. There you go. Thank you, friend. Okay. This one is from Posh Mama. Posh Mama. Let's see what we have here. There we go. And, ooh, it's pink and cute. It's very well packaged, you guys. Wow, I'm so impressed with the packaging. And some of these sellers really go out. I mean, professional. Oh, she gave me, what is this? Oh, she sent me tea. Have a tea with Mel. Oh, so sweet. I don't see an invoice, but this is Posh Mama. Posh Mama loves to go on her shows in the middle of the night in her wear storage unit. You guys, this specific show, she was in her storage unit like at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. And I stayed with her because I was scared. I was scared some crazy was going to come in and terrorize her or something. So I stayed with her. And of course, I had to buy something. This was all pajamas and sleepwear. So look what I've got. Look what I got. I got a Kate Spade pajama set. It says on the back, "Hey, sunshine." It's pre-loved, but in excellent condition. And here are the shorts. Isn't this cute? So stinking cute. And I'm going to be bringing this set to one of my Whatnot shows, you guys. Yes, love pajamas. And then she sent me a free tea bag. Love it. I'm going to have tea because you guys know I've been getting over my flu that I got. So a tea is perfect. This is from Brooke Miller, Shop 801 Lane. Sweet friend of mine. She does liquidation palettes, you guys. She has some amazing deals. She starts everything. Look how professional she is. She just packages everything really nice. She has starts everything at $1, sudden death. And she will have shoes, brand new with tags. The other day she was running brand new with tag Timberland boots, starting them at $1, okay? And oh, she has, this was to support her. She sent me stickers, and she has a saying. She always says when you win something, she always says, "You got it." So she had merch, and I bought one of her merch. See how it says, "You got it," and that smiley face, and then it has Shop 801 Lane. She's big on TikTok, you guys, and she has a really great following, and so I had to buy some merch. So I have to wear this in one of my shows, you guys, and support my friend Brooke. Shop 801 Lane, you guys have to come to her shows and support her because she has fire. I mean, you want to do, she had Chanel the other day, you guys. Yes. Okay, what is this? This is an eBay return. So they're all together. They're all together. Okay, this one is from Sumo Sells. My sweet friend Yolanda. She has amazing graphic tees, which I'm pretty sure that's what I got, because she has fire, you guys. Fire graphic tees. Let's see, all kind of goodies in here. She has sent me, oh, she sent me a cute, oh, we got bumper stickers. Look how cute. She sent me some freebies and a little sweet note. I'll read that later. Aww. And, oh, I got this for my daughter. I got this for my daughter because she loves this anime. It's Hunter x Hunter. Brand new with tags, you guys. I paid $7 for it, size small. This is Hunter x Hunter, right? Cute. She loves this anime, so I bought this for her, and I only paid $7. I think I'm going to package this up for Christmas. Because if you guys are not going to Whatnot for Christmas gifts, you're missing out. It is a great place to source for gifts because there's a lot of new with tags. This is from Yana, Zhao's Boutique. Look how cute packaging it is. It's heavy. I have no idea what it is, but this is Yana. Her handle is Zhao's Boutique. And she has really cute, amazing items. I bought 4 items, and I paid a total of $27 for 4 items. You guys, crazy. In this show, she had Barefoot Dreams, Lululemon, and Patagonia. That's why you guys need to be shopping at Whatnot. Okay, let's open up the first one. So this is probably going to be to resell on my other shows. Ooh, it's just a dress. Look at her. Torrid dress. Probably going to bring this to my next Whatnot show. Look how pretty. And she's got pockets. This is Torrid in a 1X. Excellent condition. I got this from Yana, and I'm going to resell it in one of my Curvy Girl shows. Okay? That's piece 1. Here we have, I believe it's another dress. Yes. Okay, this one's mine. I remember this one. She is a 1X, but this style of dress is my favorite. Adjustable straps from Torrid in this beautiful feather design, and it is a soft knit, and she's got pockets, and I love this style. She's got smocking in the back, and I love this style of dress. So I might have to keep this one. Okay, you guys, don't hate. Unless you guys want it. If you guys want it, you can message me. If anything you're seeing here, you guys want it, you just message me, and we'll make a deal. Okay? This one's Lane Bryant, 1820. She's a dress. Ooh, look at the sleeves. Look at the color. Isn't she cute? She's a dress. Really cute. You guys, I paid $27 for all of this. From Yana at Zhao's Boutique. She's amazing. Love, 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 love her. Great quality items. This is another Torrid dress. 00. This is coming to one of my Curvy Girl shows. It's a maxi dress. Look at this crochet work up top. Oh my goodness. 00, which is a size medium in Torrid. She is a long maxi dress. Isn't she pretty? Yes, we scored $27, you guys, for all of these. Coming to my Curvy Girl shows. Well done, Yana. Excellent job, sweetie. Okay, here we go. This one is from Zorine, Zhao's Boutique. Zorine, girl, I need to buy stock in your company because I'm a good investor. Look at all the items I'm buying from you. Okay, here's the invoice. I purchased a Sanctuary top in a 3X, new with tags. Oh, she cute. This is for one of my Curvy Girl shows for sure. Look how pretty. Ooh, that's cute. Sanctuary, which I believe is Nordstrom. Isn't she cute? She's got little buttons. Yes, and she retails for $35. And I paid $13. So this will be coming to one of my shows. New with tags. Yes, we like it. We like it. Okay, what is this? This is from Marcus Wall, which I believe is WHC Supply. My friends Marcus and Jen, love them. And they sent me a thank you card. What is it? Did I donate? I think I donated. Oh, stickers. We got stickers. Here they are. WHC Supply. And they sent me a sweet note, and I think I donated. What did I donate? Yes, I bought Jen a cocktail, and I bought Marcus a beer. So you can do that on Whatnot. You can support. And they sent me a sweet note that I will read later when I'm alone. But look how sweet. They sent me a nice card. And I don't expect anything, you guys. When I donate to you, don't send me anything, okay? Because I just want to support my friends. This is Crystal Rodriguez. I guess I ordered this sometime during the holidays, Halloween, because I love the packaging. And we've got mostly boxes left. So we're going to do this one, and then we're going to leave the rest of them for the final episode of this Whatnot haul. Parts 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly 5. We don't know. We're going to keep going. Yes, this is the Crystal Bear, my sweet friend, the Crystal Bear. She does amazing shows at night. There she is, the Crystal Bear. And I got this shirt. It is a Hocus Pocus t-shirt for $8, you guys. Look how cute that is. And this is for me. I opened it too late. Halloween is over, but you betcha I'm gonna wear it. Isn't that cute? Yes, love her. I wanted a Hocus Pocus shirt, and she made sure she sourced one for me. And she told me to come to my show, and I went to her show, and she ran it, and I was able to get it. So I love her, the Crystal Bear. She has amazing deals. She does shows at night, so if you're a night owl, you need to go hang out with her and watch her shows. And I love her. So we're going to leave the rest of these for the final episode of my Whatnot haul and unpackaging. Thank you so much, you guys. Love you. Bye.